Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown and Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be talking about how to break down, clear, and perform a functions check on your Ruger RXM pistol. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is keep this weapon pointed in a safe direction. We're going to go ahead and pick it up. Next thing we're going to do is, if you have a magazine inserted, go ahead and hit the mag release button, which is right here. Push that in. Take your magazine out and set that aside. You won't be needing it. And then you are going to rack your slide to the rear, and then you're going to use your slide lock lever and put it right here in this notch, right in there. So go ahead and grab your front serrations right here. Boom. And just like that, now it's locked in place. So now we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber while keeping this weapon pointed in a safe direction. I see nothing, I feel nothing, weapon is clear, and we're going to go ahead and send it forward. Now, next thing we're going to do is we are going to pull the trigger, and the reason why we're going to pull the trigger after we've cleared it is because if we don't, then you are not going to be able to get your slide off. So you see the slide lock bar right here, and also on this side right here. This is one solid piece that runs through the entire system. I've had some of you ask me before, well, why do I pull the trigger? It doesn't make sense to do that. Well, you won't be able to get your slide off if you're not able to, and you can't do a basic breakdown of your firearm. But it's still a good question nonetheless, and I'm glad I was finally able to get to it. But yeah, so you pull the trigger, click, barely pull your slide back, and then grab the takedown lever on both sides, roll it down, and then if it does catch right here on the trigger, you can just pull the trigger again. If you accidentally reset the firing pin, then just do that and then push it forward, and you can set down your pistol grip. Next is going to be the guide rod and spring. We're going to go ahead and take that off, set it down right here. Next, we are going to take out our barrel and set it down. And there you go. That is how you perform a basic breakdown of your Ruger RXM pistol. Now, to put it back together, we just have to do the reverse order. So we're going to take our slide, make sure that this side right here is facing down, put it in a large hole right in here. And then boom, now you got that, and it should be flush. You should be able to see right there too do a bird's eye view and see your chamber port, the little hole right there. Can't think of the correct terminology at the moment, but same thing. Now for this, you're going to make sure that the hole end is going to go here, and the flat flanged end is going to go right here inside this little U-shaped notch. Let's see if I can get this to focus. A little U-shaped notch right in there. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to put this in. Now we got that, we're going to line up the grooves right along here, and we are going to slide it in and on all the way, rack the slide, lock it back in place. Now we are going to perform what's called a functions check. So what we need to do is we need to pull the trigger for a click, rack the slide again to reset it, pull the trigger again, but this time keep the trigger held down, grab the serrations again, release it for a clunk, pull it again for a click, and then rack the slide one more time to reset it. And there you go. That's how you perform a functions check and disassemble and reassembly of your firearm. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I just want to say personally, thank you guys so much for all the content, or rather the comments on my content. Y'all have inspired me to kind of start making videos again. Maybe once a week kind of thing, maybe not like how I was doing sporadic videos, but something a little bit more on a schedule per se, now that I'm on a summer break. So if there's something specific that you would like to see, just comment below and let me know. All right, you guys stay safe, take care, and carry every day.